Hey guys, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and enable AirDrop on your iPhone on the latest iOS version. So let's get started. So if you're not familiar with AirDrop allows you to quickly send any type of data like photos, videos, documents from one iPhone to another iOS device, and it's probably the fastest way. You can also send it to Android as well. If you guys want to check that video out, I'll leave it in the comment section. But in order to turn on AirDrop on your iPhone, there's two different ways you can do it. First way is by going into your setting of your iPhone and then going into general and then going to AirDrop. And now when it comes to AirDrop, there's a couple different settings to note for. By default, AirDrop happens between contacts. So if you have someone in your contact and they have you in their contact as well on their iOS device, you can AirDrop to each other when you're nearby. Now, if you don't have AirDrop on their contact, if they don't have you or you don't have them, you can select for everyone for 10 minutes so that your iPhone can be discovered or there can be discovered if they do the same thing, so you can AirDrop instantly between the people nearby. And that's going to be for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes it will go back to the default contacts only. Now if you don't want AirDrop at all, you select the receiving off. Even if they're in your contact and you're there in their contact, they will not be able to AirDrop you anything. So by default, contact is the quickest way and the safest way, but if you want it to enable for 10 minutes for anyone, you can do that as well. Now another way to access that menu is by pulling on the control menu on your iPhone, or if you have a phone with the home button, pull the control menu upward, and then once you see that icon here, you can, if you press right in the middle here, right, it will activate in another menu. Again, that's just press and hold. It will activate the secret menu for AirDrop. Now if you click on here, press and hold again, the AirDrop menu pops up, and same exact thing here. You can go ahead and turn on AirDrop for everyone for 10 minutes, and then it will automatically go back to the contact, or you can simply turn it off altogether. But that's how you turn on and enable AirDrop feature on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please make sure that like and subscribe button. And for more future tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices, make sure hit that subscribe button. See you guys next time.